Well, today I'm showing you a Sri Lankan eggplant curry recipe. Well, several years back when I used to work in a hotel, I was shown this recipe by a chef. He told me it's a home style recipe. Well, I haven't eaten this in Sri Lanka, but this is wonderful and I hope you try this at home. Let's begin. Sri Lankan eggplant curry. Well, I'm taking these elongated aubergines, brinjals, eggplants, however you call this, cut it into long strips, pan fry, and then jumps straight into the curry. And that's as simple as that. First things first, choose the brinjal of your choice and get going. Let's begin. Let's cut the brinjal into a half like so and split it open literally. The next step is to either cut this into long strips, attaching it right here, or you just turn it and give it scores here. Well, if you cut this into little dices, chances are that the brinjal may just get mushed into the entire curry. This way, it just looks far better. Well, done and ready. A touch of turmeric. Along with this, some salt. And just rub this lightly. Ensure that the surface just becomes lightly tinted, and there you go. Brinjals are done and ready. Let's move on to cooking these. Let's begin with regular vegetable oil. You can also by all means use coconut oil. And whilst the oil is just kind of beginning to heat up, let's place the brinjals gashed side down. After a couple of minutes on high flame, let's turn this like so. At this point in time, lower the flame and allow this to cook on slow flame right here. By that time, we start making the curry. Again, let's begin with oil. And in this case also, you can begin with coconut oil. Chopped red onions. And along with this, curry leaves. A couple of green chilies which have been slit. And a quick stir. Allow the onions to just kind of begin to turn golden brown in color. And at this stage, I'm going to add in tomato puree. And to this, I'm going to add in the powder spices. Beginning with turmeric powder, followed by red chili powder, coriander powder, and along with this, salt. Let's mix this well. Ensure this is lump free. And also just turn it once, twice over. Well, our spice decoction is done and ready. Let's add this into the onions. Let's give this a quick stir. And allow this entire mixture to now cook on high flame till, of course, the rawness of the tomato goes away. Let's add in some coriander leaves, freshly cut. And lastly, coconut milk. Let's give this a quick stir and allow this to boil for at least 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. But while this is boiling, I'm also going to add in the aubergines. A couple of stirs here and there, and ensure this cooks till the aubergine is perfectly cooked and ready. Trust me, this is going to taste fantastic. Literally a meal in a bowl. Sri Lankan eggplant curry with onions, steamed rice. Go all out and impress your family and friends. Bye for now.